Is trading a scam? You see a lot of people asking this question lately, and you might be wondering the same thing. We see a lot of traders posting profits online, but at the same time, we ask if they really make money from trading. Why are they making videos and selling their mentorship? And that's exactly what I'm gonna answer in today's video. First thing first, let's be real. Trading itself is not a scam. But a lot of people around trading are scammers. They be renting cars, editing their profits, selling dreams, not skills. And what you want to be getting is actually skills. These people are not traders, they are marketers. So watch out for yourselves. Trading is just buying and selling assets. Forex, crypto, stocks, using risk management. No guarantees, no easy money. You can lose and you will lose at the beginning. Now, about the big question, if traders make money, why do they sell courses or mentorship? And the answer is simple. Trading income is not fixed. They can literally have a month all wins, all loses. Some months are slow. Mentorship is basically an extra money, and in the same time, there's a lot of people likes to be teaching people. Teaching doesn't stop them from trading. They can be trading and teaching at the same time. It's like a football player opening an academy. Just because he teaches doesn't mean he forgot how to play. Here's how you know it's a scam. They promise you guaranteed profits. They show only wins, never loses. They rush you. Last chance, limited spots. They don't explain risk. So, is trading a scam? No, it's not a scam, obviously. But your expectation can scam you. And the wrong people definitely can. And this is basically just from me and from my heart. I'll be saying that most of the things that you will need, you can just find them on YouTube. You don't even need to buy courses. You don't need to do anything. You just buy YouTube, you can be profitable and you can make money out of trading. Just to let you all know. If you want more honest trading content, follow and stay tuned.